Hello everyone, everything I'm going to tell you has been verified by the mechanics in the shop where I'm at, so don't worry, we're almost there with the fix. If your Toyota Camry showed the message TPWS malfunction, don't panic. It doesn't mean your tires are going to suddenly deflate or that the car went crazy. What's happening is that the tire pressure warning system detected something unusual with the sensors or with the communication between them, and the warning popped up. The most common cause, and what many mechanics tell me, is sensors with low or dead batteries. Each sensor inside the tire has a small battery that lasts for years, but when it starts to fail, the system can't read it properly and the warning comes on. So, if your sensors are a few years old, this is usually the number one cause. Before diving into complicated repairs, check something really simple: the tire pressures and a system reset. Inflate each tire to the correct pressure and use the TPWS menu on the dashboard to reset it. Then drive for 20–30 minutes and let the system relearn the sensors. In many cases, this alone makes the warning disappear. If the message appeared right after changing tires, rotating them, or installing new sensors, it could be that a sensor wasn't registered correctly or was installed improperly. Many Camry owners and mechanics report that after checking the installation or recalibrating the sensors with the vehicle's tool, everything returned to normal. Another factor that sometimes gets overlooked is weather conditions. Heavy rain, snow, fog, or even direct sunlight on the sensors can confuse the system and temporarily trigger the message. In these cases, nothing is broken. Just wait a few minutes and drive a little, and it usually clears itself. Sometimes it's just a temporary electronic glitch. After disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or hitting strong vibrations on the road, the system can get confused. Turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on often resets it without spending a penny. Now, if after all this the warning still appears, there might be a more serious issue: a damaged or misaligned sensor or a faulty TPWS module. At that point, the best course is to go to a shop with a professional scanner that can recalibrate or replace sensors and make sure the system works correctly.